Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today for my brunch series, I am making a delicious spinach artichoke frittata with sun-dried tomatoes. It's also got feta cheese in it, and it's absolutely delicious. I love making it in my cast iron skillet and putting it in the oven, but I'll show you guys exactly what I do. So if you guys like this brunch series, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna do is preheat our oven at 375, and then I'm gonna get my cast iron ready to go. So I have my cast iron right here, and I love making it in this because I just think it looks so nice and pretty. So all I'm doing is putting a little bit of oil and just taking a brush, making sure it goes all over the edges, everywhere, covered on the bottom, and this will just prevent it from sticking. So all right, that looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna move this over to the side and start making our frittata. So, all right, so in front of me, I have a 10-ounce frozen packet of spinach that I've thawed out, and then I have squeezed out all of the water out of it. And I'm just gonna use a glove because it's nice, easy cleanup, but you can see that it's absolutely dry, and that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. All right, so I'm just loosening up the spinach with my hands. And then also what I have here is I've chopped up a little bit of red bell peppers. This is just artichoke hearts that I've drained the liquid out of and then just patted dry with just a paper towel. I've chopped up some green onions, and over here I have some sun-dried tomatoes that I've just kind of chopped up finely. And I use the ones that are in the packet, not with the oil that you can find in the can. So I'm just gonna mix this all up. Oh, and then I also do have a clove of garlic that I've chopped up in there. So I'm gonna add it to the spinach. All right. Perfect. Just make sure and mix everything up. And then I'm also going to add just a little bit of Italian seasoning. That's good. Just eyeball it. Okay, so that looks good. That's all my veggies. So now I'm gonna bring back my cast iron skillet. And then just kind of evenly spread out all these veggies on the bottom. All right, so I've spread out all my veggies in my cast iron skillet, so now let's work on our eggs. So I have 10 eggs in front of me that I've already cracked. First, I'm gonna go ahead and whisk this up and just break apart all the egg yolk. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of milk. And you can leave this part out. It does make it a little bit more fluffier, but if you guys can't do dairy or for some reason, you can leave it out. All right, so you're gonna whisk this. Also, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Just kind of eyeball it too. And whisk again. All right, so that looks nice. Now I'm just going to very quickly mix in some feta cheese. That's good. Whoops. All right, and then you just pour this over all the veggies. And that is it. So this is a super easy and nice brunch item to kind of feed a large crowd. And it doesn't really take that much effort too. So I definitely love making this just the morning before. Perfect. All right, so now this is just gonna go in the oven for 35 minutes. and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. All right, guys, just took this out of the oven, and then I did let it sit for about 8 to 10 minutes so it settles, but it looks delicious. The house smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut myself a piece. Oh my goodness, so excited. And this is just a tiny bit lighter than a quiche because you don't have that breading. Oh yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. All right. And then, because you know I love my hot sauce and my spicy food. Yep. All right, wait. I forgot to grab myself a fork, so I'm gonna go get that and then I'll show you guys what this tastes like. All right, got myself a spoon, so let's go ahead and try this out. That spinach, artichoke, the cheese, perfect amount of cheese. It kind of sits at the top too, so you get that cheesiness right in the beginning. You guys, so easy. There was no cooking involved at all. Just put it in the oven and it's all good to go. So if you guys like frittatas and brunch recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.